Q8351. Nickel-cadmium battery cases and drain surfaces which have been affected by electrolyte should be neutralized with a solution of A. Boric acid, B. Sodium bicarbonate, C. Potassium hydroxide. The correct answer is A. A region that has come into contact with nickel-cadmium battery electrolyte should be properly cleaned, neutralized with ammonia or a boric acid solution, and then coated with an alkali-resisting varnish. Q8352. Which of the following are acceptable to use when utilizing chemical cleaning agents on aircraft? A. Cotton fiber wiping cloths when using a flammable agent and atomizing spray equipment. B. Microfiber wiping cloths when using a flammable agent and atomizing spray equipment. C. Synthetic fiber wiping cloths when using a flammable agent. The correct answer is A. Use only a cotton wiping cloth or a brush with natural bristles for cleaning and divided by or depainting an aircraft surface. Microfiber and other synthetic fibers have a propensity to generate dangerous static electricity charges that might set off the incendiary chemical. Cleaning chemicals in emulsion form can be sprayed to a surface using atomizing spray equipment. The agent should be scraped with a natural bristle brush and then wiped off the surface when it has penetrated the dirt or exhaust residue. Q8353. Select the solvent used to clean acrylics and rubber. A. Aliphatic naphtha. B. Methyl ethyl ketone. C. Aromatic naphtha. The correct answer is A. The solvent used to clean acrylics and rubber is aliphatic naphtha. It is a mild and low-odor solvent that is compatible with these materials and is commonly used in the aviation industry for cleaning aircraft components. Methyl ethyl ketone, option B, and aromatic naphtha, option C, are more aggressive solvents that could damage these materials, so they should be avoided. Q8354. Fayed surfaces cause concern in chemical cleaning because of the danger of A. Forming passive oxides, B. Entrapping corrosive materials, C. Corrosion by embedded iron oxide. The correct answer is B. Fayed surfaces cause concern in chemical cleaning because of the danger of option B. Entrapping corrosive materials. Fayed surfaces are surfaces that have pits or cracks, which can trap cleaning agents and other corrosive materials. This can lead to corrosion and other damage to the surface that is being cleaned. Therefore, it is important to properly inspect surfaces for Fayed areas before and after cleaning to ensure that they are properly cleaned and free of any remaining contaminants. Q8355. Caustic cleaning products used on aluminum structures have the effect of producing A. Passive oxidation, B. Improved corrosion resistance, C. Corrosion. The correct answer is C. Caustic cleaning products used on aluminum structures have the effect of producing corrosion. Caustic cleaning products are highly alkaline and can react with the aluminum to produce hydrogen gas and aluminum oxide. This reaction can cause pitting, etching, and other forms of corrosion on the surface of the aluminum structure. Therefore, it is important to use caustic cleaning products with caution and follow recommended procedures to minimize the risk of corrosion.